Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your ULEFONE Armor 21. So first, what we want to do is we want to adjust the brightness in the settings. So let's open up the settings app. Here we're going to scroll down until we see display. Here we have the brightness level, we have the slider up here to control it. As you guys can see, I always prefer my brightness to be at least 25%, but we can also make it a bit brighter, like 27. And then make sure that you disable adaptive brightness, because this will just change the brightness that you have manually adjusted. So whenever I turn this on, my brightness went up to 100% and it's not coming back down. So that's why it's very important to disable the adaptive brightness. Here, what we want to do next is we want to go over to the Play Store. Now here in the Play Store, go to search and search for the screen dimmer, and then you will see the OLED Saver. Here we're going to click on this app, click install, and it's only 1.5 megabytes, so it will install instantly. Let's click open, and here let's grant the first permission to modify the system settings to change the brightness, and the next one is to update the overlay whenever we rotate our screen, or simply enable a keyboard. Now let's grant permission for notifications to display a brightness bar. And here we can enable it. As you guys can see, it works. Now, here we have a brightness that we can top. So this is our brightness bar and the notifications. We can of course get rid of it. And here we can adjust it like this, but it will also come back. This is as a silent notification, so we won't notice it. And if we don't like it, we can just disable it and see if there's any real difference. Now next, what we want to do as a last resort is check for software updates. So let's go to settings and let's scroll down to system. Here click system update and click check for updates. So my device is up to date, and if your software is not and you have an option to update it, make sure to do that. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.